Welcome back to our channel, Coin Collectors and Treasure Seekers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of British coins and exploring the market value of 6 iconic United Kingdom 1 penny coins. If you have a 1913, 1935, 1937, 1939, 1963, or 1967 penny in your collection, you might be holding on to a piece of history worth more than just 1 penny. Today, we're diving into the history, design, and current market value of the 1913 United Kingdom 1 penny coin in fine condition. Could this humble coin be worth more than you think? Let's find out. The 1913 1 penny coin comes from a fascinating period in British history. Struck during the reign of King George V, these coins were made just 1 year before World War I began. In 1913, the penny was an essential part of daily life, used for everything from a loaf of bread to a newspaper. These coins were minted in bronze, featuring the iconic image of Britannia seated with her shield on the reverse and King George V on the obverse. The craftsmanship of these coins, even in fine condition, still tells the story of a bygone era. When we talk about fine condition, we're referring to a coin that shows moderate wear but retains clear details. For a 1913 penny, this means you can still see key features like Britannia's helmet and King George's profile, though the high points of the design may be worn smooth. While the 1913 penny is not the rarest of its series, its age and historical significance make it desirable. Collectors often look for coins with minimal damage and clear details. Additionally, bronze coins from this period can develop a beautiful patina, adding to their appeal. So how much is a 1913 1 penny coin in fine condition worth in today's market? Prices can vary depending on demand, but as of 2024, you can expect values between $500,000 for coins in fine condition. Coins with exceptional patina or better grades can fetch even higher prices, sometimes reaching up to $100,000. If you're a collector, always handle these coins with care to preserve their condition. Store them in a protective holder or album to prevent further wear. For sellers, consider getting your coin professionally graded if you believe it's in particularly good condition. It could significantly increase its value. Next up, today we are diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting. If you have a 1937 United Kingdom 1 penny coin in very good condition, you might be sitting on a hidden treasure. But just how much is it worth in today's market? Let's find out. The 1937 UK 1 penny coin is a piece of British history. It was minted during the reign of King George VI, the father of Queen Elizabeth II. This coin marked the beginning of his coinage series as he ascended the throne in 1936. The coin features a portrait of George VI on the obverse, designed by Humphrey Paget. The reverse showcases the classic Britannia design, a figure of strength and unity for the British Empire. While millions were minted, only coins in exceptional condition are highly sought after by collectors today. Condition is everything when it comes to coin value. When we say very good condition, it means the coin shows minimal wear and retains much of its original detail. For example, the lettering Britannia's Trident in King George's portrait should all be clear and well defined. Collectors often look for coins graded by professional services like D or others. And all grades such as AX, D, and C should also be graded by mint state can significantly increase the value. So, how much is a 1937 UK 1 penny worth today? In very good condition, its value ranges from $600,000. However, if your coin is in uncirculated or mint state, it could fetch $800,000 or more. Rarer varieties or coins from this year can command even higher prices, reaching several $100,000. On platforms like eBay or coin dealer sites, prices vary depending on demand, rarity, and grading. Always research recent sales to get an accurate idea of market value. Who knew a humble penny could hold such value? The 1937 UK 1 penny is more than just a coin. It's a journey through time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a beginner, treasures like these remind us of the rich stories coins carry. Next up, today we're diving into something really exciting for numismatists and collectors alike: the 1935 United Kingdom 1 penny coin. You might be surprised by just how much this old penny is worth today, especially in extra fine condition. The 1935 1 penny coin was minted in the United Kingdom during the reign of King George V, just a year before his death. This coin holds historical significance, not just for its age, but for its design. The obverse of the coins features a portrait of King George V, which was designed by the famous engraver Sir Edgar Bertram McKennell. This portrait was used on coins from 1911 until 1936, making it one of the most recognizable in British numismatic history. On the reverse side, we have a classic design of a seated figure of Britannia flanked by a lion. While the coin was originally worth just 1 penny, it now holds a much greater value depending on its condition. Now, when it comes to collectible coins, the condition is everything. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mid-state, and one of the most sought-after conditions is extra fine, often abbreviated as RF this. This means the coin shows minimal wear, with all details still clear and visible. For a 1935 1 penny coin to be in extra fine condition, it must have very few scratches, no signs of heavy wear, and almost no discoloration. It should still have sharp, well-defined features, with the details of Britannia and King George V's portrait crisp and clear. In 1935, the coin was worth just 1 penny, but the value of the 1935 1 penny coin has risen substantially, especially for those in extra fine condition. On average, a 1935 United Kingdom 1 penny coin in extra fine condition is worth between $400,000, depending on demand and the specific auction or marketplace. In fact, if you manage to find one in near-perfect condition or with a rare mint mark, it can sometimes fetch an even higher price, sometimes up to $100,000 or more. For those interested in British coinage, this penny can be a fantastic addition to any collection just because of its value, but for the rich history behind it. So how do you get your hands on one of these rare coins? Well, you can start by looking through your own collection or even through your change. But the best places to find these coins are online auction sites like or specialist coin dealers and shops. Be sure to check the seller's reputation and reviews, as well as the quality and authenticity of the coin. And if you're new to collecting, always look for professional grading to ensure you're getting an extra fine coin. Always handle coins with care by using cotton gloves and avoid touching the surfaces with your bare hands. Store them in a safe place, preferably in a protective holder or capsule, to keep them from tarnishing or getting scratched. Taking care of your coins properly ensures their value remains high and your collection stays in top shape. To wrap things up, the 1935 United Kingdom 1 penny coin in extra fine condition is more than just a piece of currency, it's a piece of history. Whether you're looking to start a collection or add to an existing one, this coin is definitely worth keeping an eye out for. Next up today, we're diving deep into the history, characteristics, and the incredible market value of the 1939 United Kingdom 1 penny coin, especially those with a unique black shade condition. If you own one of these coins, this video might be a game changer for you. Let's uncover the secrets of this iconic piece 1 penny coin was minted during a pivotal time in history. With King George VI on the throne and World War II on the horizon, we see the portrait of King George more than just currency. Designed by Thomas Humphrey Paget to a world in turmoil. On the reverse, struck at the Royal Mint, the design by Leonard Charles was part of a larger series since featuring the iconic reverse design of Britannia. Now, what makes certain 1939 one-penny coin a symbol of Britain's maritime is their black shade condition. This phenomenon occurs due to environmental factors like oxidation or long-term exposure to specific storage conditions, which gives a coin a dark, almost black patina. While some collectors view it as damage, others see it as an attractive feature that adds character and history to the coin. However, to command a premium, the coin must still have sharp details and a well-preserved surface. The value of a 1939 one-penny coin in black shade condition can vary widely. Here are the main factors that impact its worth. So, how much is a 1939 UK one-penny coin worth today? In average circulated condition, these coins typically sell for $100,000. However, in higher grades with the black shade condition, prices can range from $200,000. For example, a black-toned 1939 penny in condition recently sold at auction for $300,000. This is due to the growing interest in coins with unique toning and historical significance. The fascinating story and market value of the 1939 UK one-penny coin with a black shade condition. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, coins like these remind us of the rich. Use online marketplaces, coin shows, or professional dealers to sell your coin for the best price. Next up, today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the 1963 United Kingdom one-penny coin. Is this humble copper piece from the mid-20th century a hidden treasure in your collection? Let's find out its true value in today's market. The 1963 United Kingdom one-penny coin is part of the pre-decimal currency system used in Britain before 1971. It's made of bronze and features the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Mary Gillick. On the reverse, we see the traditional depiction of Britannia, a symbol of strength and unity, designed by Leonard Charles Wyon. This coin was in circulation until decimalization replaced the old system with pounds and pence. When assessing the value of a 1963 penny, condition plays a huge role. Coin grading scales, such as those from the Sheldon system, help us determine its worth. For today's discussion, we'll focus on coins in fine condition. These coins show moderate wear but retain key details, making them appealing to collectors who appreciate historical value. Here's the kicker. The 1963 penny isn't particularly rare, with over 120 million minted. However, its value doesn't solely rely on rarity. The historical significance of the coin, the popularity of Queen Elizabeth II collectibles, and the global interest in British coins all impact its demand. What's the market saying about this coin in fine condition? As of today, a 1963 one penny in fine condition is typically valued between $600,000. However, if you have a coin in higher grades, such as extremely fine or uncirculated, the value can jump to $700,000 or more. That's not all. Error coins or coins with unique characteristics could fetch significantly higher prices. Since many collectors purchase these coins internationally, let's talk dollars. Current exchange rates, a 1963 penny priced at $200,000 in the United Kingdom would convert to about $500,000. Higher grade coins could sell for upwards of $600,000, depending on the buyer and market trends. The coin's condition carefully or consult a professional grading service. Next up, where we dive into the fascinating world of rare and collectible coins. Today, we're talking about a piece that's familiar to many, but holds a surprising value for collectors. The United Kingdom 1967 one-penny coin. This humble coin from the past actually worth a small fortune today? Find out. 1867 one-penny coin was one of the last coins minted in the UK before the transition to decimal currency in 1971. These coins are made of bronze and feature the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Mary Gillick. On the reverse, we have Britannia, seated with her trident and shield. A symbol of Britain's maritime history, this design was used on pennies for decades, making it instantly recognizable to collectors and historians alike. 1967 was a significant year. As the swinging 60s were in full swing, the Royal Mint produced a substantial number of these coins. So, are they rare? But condition matters, and that's what we're focusing on today. Here's the deal. Most 1967 one-penny coins aren't worth much because millions were minted and they're not considered rare. However, coins in extra fine or uncirculated condition can fetch a decent price in today's market. Why collectors are always on the hunt for coins that look almost as good as they did when they left the mint: a coin with sharp details, minimal wear, and no heavy scratches or tarnish is far more desirable. Value of a 1967 one-penny coin in the US dollar. Coin is in average circulated condition. It's typically worth around $200,000, just a few cents. However, coins in extra fine condition can sell for $400,000. It gets interesting. Have a 1967 penny in brilliant uncirculated condition. See prices range from $10,000 to $20,000 or more, depending on the buyer. Some collectors have even paid higher amounts for coins graded professionally by services like Ready to Sell Your Coin? Start by checking online marketplaces like eBay to see what similar coins are selling for. Look for listings that match your coin's condition to get an idea of its value. You can also approach local coin dealers, but remember they might offer less since they need to resell for profit. Finally, consider professional grading. If you believe your coin is in exceptional condition, it can significantly increase its value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the 1967 one-penny coin is a fascinating piece of history that could be worth more than you think. Be sure to check your collections. You might be sitting on a hidden gem. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a coin update. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!